Hello friends, here you see the box of the Nikon 50mm f1.2 and the lens is now on my Nikon D810. It's recording me. This is Nikon fastest lens ever made by Nikon. So let's check our video and see the detail of this lens. Here is unboxing the Nikon 50mm f1.2 and this is how looks like the box of 50mm. It's a manual focus lens. As you can see here, we have lens itself, well packed, and also comes with an instruction booklet. So what are the details of this metal manual focus lens? This lens has 7 elements in 6 groups and with 9 tradition blades. The filtral rate is 52mm. And as seen, behind lens is no contact dots for connect with camera body. The aperture is minimum f16 and maximum is f1.2. I can say that the focus ring is soft and offers you smooth focusing. I really enjoy it. And here is the aperture ring. It is amazing to see here f1.2. It's made with high quality glass, which means you can take clear, sharpened photos with this lens. If you like this video, please write me a comment. I will reply you back as soon as possible. Any questions, welcome.